Really and truly, me think me see everything with West Indies cricket. If it was another team with some other players, the Maverick could be flabbergasted. But I'm not. This one sink West Indies cricket below rock bottom though. Putting 374 runs on the board in a 50-over game. And Holland, the Dutch, not Australia or India or England, but Holland beat up our little lollipop bowler them to tie the game and massacre the West Indies in the Super Over. And look, they are into the Super 6 stage of the tournament, but them not going to the World Cup, and they do not deserve to go to the World Cup. Zimbabwe and the Netherlands are playing better overall cricket than the West Indies right now, whether bowling, batting, or fielding. And obviously, the new white ball coach and cheerleader, Darren Sammy, is off to a disastrous start. As coach, his loud claps and shouts of, "Let's go, boys!" not working. Yes. And we can imagine in that technical meeting after the game, Coach Sammy will be at them again, saying, "Don't worry, boys, let's go again. Let's go,